What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cat Peach from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top of our oval. I'm going to bring that all the way down towards the bottom of the eye and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same sized oval on the right. So let's line at the top. We want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. And then from here we're going to push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So let's start from the inside of the left eye. We're going to draw a circle. Going all the way around, come down, just tuck that in across the bottom. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of the iris. And then along the top of the pupils, draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's thicken up the top of the eyelid. Starting from the inside, we just want to go a little bit higher in the middle along the top. Bring that across and just blend that down towards the side. And do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the eyelid in black. Now I want to add some lashes along the top. Let's start from the top left, then this out and then up. Step down. Just going to add two more. And then do the same thing on the right. Let's move in between the eyes and draw the nose. Start with the bottom edge, coming down and then up. Step up and draw a short curve for the bridge of the nose. Now directly underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve for the mouth. We want to come down, up. Let's draw the upper lip, going up and then down. Now we do the same thing across the bottom, coming down and then up. Now moving back up to the top, we'll draw that center piece of the hair. Start right in the middle, start with a point. And here we're going to bend this out toward the left, round up the side, and then bend that in. And do the same thing on the right, going out, up, and in. Let's draw the side curls. Starting from the top left, bend this down towards the eye, go around, and then bend that up. Let's go to the right side, down, around, and then up. Now I want to add a fold. I'm going to come in, and then up along the side. Now I'm going to add one more layer. From this point, we're going to step up, then out, and then up. From the end, we're going to come in, up towards the top of the head, round this out, and then come down in the middle. Just going to mirror that over on the right. Going up, come down, and then out. Let's add the eyebrows on top of the eyes with a short curve going in behind the hair. Now I want to tuck the bottom edge of the head underneath the hair. Let's start over on the left, come down, come in just underneath the mouth, round out the chin, go across, and then back up on the right. Let's add the hair along the side. Stepping out, come down, and just pull that in towards the side of the head. Now in behind the hair, we're going to draw two large circles for the earrings. Let's start on the left. I just want to tuck that up underneath on the inside. Let's line that up on the right. Go all the way around and then pull that in. Let's draw on the outside of the head. Starting on the left side, then it's down and then out. Now you want to round at the end, come down and then in behind the side of the earring. Now I want to continue this curve along the inside and just tuck that up underneath the chin. Let's add a seam across the side, coming down and in. And we'll go up to the top of the head. I'm just going to close this off with a curve, going up and then down. Now I'm going to place the ears on top of the head, starting over on the left, bend this up and then out. Let's round out the tip of the ear, come down and just bend that in on top of the head. Let's trace the side of the ears along the inside. So we'll start with the left, going up towards the top, round this out, and then come back in towards the head. Now going back to the inside of the ears, draw two straight lines going up on the side of the crown, curve this down and then in, and go straight up in an angle towards the center. Let's go to the center of the crown and draw an oval for that gemstone. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start with the left arm raised up underneath the chin. So we'll start down here. Start with the first finger, come down, up, and then bend that back out. Now you want to layer two more fingers in behind going up towards the chin. So let's start down here, come down, up, and out. Now let's add one more finger, making sure we tuck this up underneath the head, come out, go around towards the outside, and pull that in towards that outside finger. Let's add the thumb along the bottom. Starting down here, come down, round out the thumb, and go up. Let's add a thick cuff along the bottom, all the way around underneath the finger, and then in underneath the thumb. And now we're going to go over towards the right side and draw on the back. Let's start underneath the head on the right side, curve this out, and then down. Now from here, we're going to move over towards the left side and draw the back of the right arm, coming down and then cross. Let's round out the palm and pull that up towards the first finger. Now you want to layer three fingers going over towards the left side. So we step up, come down, round out the finger, go up and in. Let's layer two more fingers in behind. Stepping down, go around, up, and then in. Let's do that one more time. Go all the way around, across the top of the hand. I'm just going to bend that down. Let's go to the inside of the hand, curve the arm going in, and then up towards the shoulder. Just want to round out the shoulder along the top, going up underneath the head, and then out. Let's separate the glove with a curve on the bottom. Now in between the bottom of the thumb and the hand, we're going to add a curve for the body, coming down and then out. Let's add that hind leg, stepping back up, curving around, and then in. Now let's go back up to the top and work our way around the hind leg. We're going to step up to create a fold, coming down and out. We're going to round out the back and then pull that in. Now I'm going to layer the hind leg on top. I'm going to step up, curve down, and across. Let's round out the first toe, come up and out. Let's add two more toes coming in towards the arm. From the bottom, all the way around, up and out. And then the last one we'll just tuck in behind the arm. Now going up to the top, curve the foot, going up, and then bend that down towards the heel. Move up, draw the hind leg, going up, and then bend that down. Now the last thing we do is add the tail over on the right side. So let's start down here, start with the inside edge. Bend it out, and then in, round out the tail, and then bend that back out. Let's round out the end of the tail and just trace this back in towards the body. And then we'll separate the end with a curve. And then sign your art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Cat Peach from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I post new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.